But because you do what you do you seem to get like before you did it compared to now, do you get more dick pics than normal?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. It's ridiculous. I don't want it. I'm not impressed by the size of your, I don't care about it. It's quantity over quality for me. It's like good for you. You've got a big knob.
But I never see that's not like I never understood that. Like, why do guys send dick pic? Like if like you're with someone or something like that, that's different. But like randomly sending dick pics, I've never met a girl that enjoys getting random dick pics. Why do guys think that? I gotta ask guys that, I guess. But
I think
like,
men are more visual creatures, so I think they probably think women are the same.
oh
You know?
shit, I never thought about that. Yeah. Yeah, because
Yeah.
I'm definitely 100% visual. Yeah.
It's just disrespectful. Like I don't, it's like people they think that I don't want to keep saying men think men this, but it's men are who buy for me. But I'm just like, a lot of them think, sex work equals, like you're loose, like you're up for it all the time, and it's hard, it's like to deal with that, and that's what I was talking to you earlier about the mental health, it really can impact you, and make you feel, I'm like, why do I do this sometimes? I'm like, stop the world, I want to get off, but
So
um,
so that's what's happening. So like you get a lot of guys that are just like you're just a sex object and that's it. Really?
hmm um, yeah. And that's the people that tend to not buy. That's the people that are just wanting freebies and, um,
Right. Yeah, like
you
freeloaders.
find you find your fans that buy are the most respectful people that you could meet.
Yeah, that's what I've been hearing. Like like they know the deal. Like it's a deal, and
Mm. The
yeah.
transaction. hmm Yeah. And I'm a friendly person. It's not all for show. Like I do genuinely enjoy talking to people. But as I say, I can't devote my time to that one person. They don't realise how many people want to talk to me on a daily. Um, so I can't, and that's the thing. Like I put on a post. I don't know if you look through my Instagram about don't send me messages unless it's to do with content because I'm not interested in striking out a friendship. I've got enough friends. I don't know you. You don't know me. And then like straight away I had like messages still. How are you? What you doing? And I'm like, and I usually just say if someone messages me and says hi, I'll just be like, hi, can I help you? To see if that prompts them. And if they're just like, what are you doing, blah, 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 I'm just like, sorry, I don't talk. I've got a boyfriend, unless it's to do with my OnlyFans kind of thing.
Oh yeah, so that's a slippery slope then because I guess you really don't know if they're looking to get content or they're trying to like what
Yeah,
get
you
you to
don't
be
know.
their girlfriend
Uh-huh.
like how
I know. And
like
and that's it. And a lot of them get butt hurt, they're like, I had one that was, chatting and I chatted away and I did a kind of a bit of flirting because I'm an actually flirty person. That's just me. And then I said to them something about OnlyFans. Like I'm not pushy. I don't, drop into people's messages. I just, if, I said to him, look, if you're wanting to chat, do it via this. And, he was like, oh, you only talking to me because you want money. And I'm like, you approached me, don't get annoyed because I'm not going to talk to you kind of thing. It's